Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove my AI on Snapchat without Snapchat Plus. So this is my new account and there's no any Snapchat Plus. So how to remove my AI on Snapchat. So let's just get started by learning it. So it's a very easy step I'm going to teach you. So firstly, just go to your chats and then go to my AI. And again go to my AI up there, and then what you do is just go to this three dot option, and then over here there are many options. Just go with chat settings, and over here you'll be having options, many options. Let's say clear chat, clear from chat feed, pin conversation, pin shortcut to home screen, and many more. But what you need to do is just go with first option which says clear from chat feed, and just read it. This will clear the conversation from a feed. It will not delete any save and all. And just go with the clear again. And now what you do is just go to the chats option, and over here now you can see my AI is totally gone. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so never miss an update from us. If you have any query, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.